Hello, guys. This is Linda from the DuchessKitchen.com, and today I'm bringing you something different. Um, I want you to, I want to take you on a tour on my kitchen garden to see what the Duchess Kitchen garden looks like and give you some inspiration as to what you can also grow on your own in your backyard with the little space that you have. So let's get into it. So this is my strawberry patch, but unfortunately I have just some few plants. You can see some also bearing some fruit right here. Hopefully next season I'm going to get a bit more and I'll try and add more to it. And here is my first bed, which I have these are parts of garlic plants that I have, and behind it is some cabbages which I'm having problems with because of cabbage worms. More cabbage this way. I have some purple broccoli right here, more purple broccoli, and more of the garlic as well. This is my second bed. These are tulips which are dying off. These are onions that I grew from set. Hopefully I'll get some bulb from them. I have some greens in the middle here, the red giants and lettuce and rocket lettuce right here, more mustard green, and the rest of my garlic is right here. Oh, this is garlic, and thinking about a month's time I should be harvesting these garlic as well. This is my third bed. This is also six. This is my third bed. I call this my onion bed. They are all onions, and these were grown from seedlings that I bought online, and in them are some spinach, the curly type in here, and another type right there, and two broccoli that I started from seeds as well. So this is my onion bed, and in about 3 months I should have a good harvest, hopefully. This is my fourth bed, and these I have a mixture of plants in here. I have Swiss chard. I'm using square feet gardening right here, so I've planted a lot of stuff in a square feet, like this Swiss chard right here, and these colorful ones too. They are beautiful. And these are my potato patch. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 potatoes. So 9 square feet. Each square feet has one potato plant in it. And I have some radishes which are about to be ready to be harvested actually. and I'm getting some other insects or animals chewing on them. So a fresh harvest, which will be good for salad and delicious and fresh from a raised bed. Right here I have this arc right here, and I made this to grow peas and other pole beans on it. And since I've seen my first beans harvest, it tastes good. I have Chinese cabbage right here, or bok choy. These are bloating because for the couple of days it has been really hot in Texas here. But hopefully I can harvest and use these plants soon before I lose all the taste from it. I have beetroot right here. They are still coming. I have turnips also right here coming. And in between, I've also transplanted some lettuce right in between these potato plants as well, to get as much produce from my space as I can. Right here is my fifth bed, and this is, I think, 12 by 3 or 12 by 2.5 feet wide. And I have more of my bok choy, or form of Chinese cabbage right here, and I'm having a lot of bloating going on, and I'm going to actually use these flowers. They are edible flowers. They are coming from plants, edible vegetables, so I'm going to use them to make another recipe. And I have some of the peas right opposite of the trellis, the arc trellis that I'm going to let them climb on, and so that we can easily crop them and harvest them as needed. And right at the edges of the plants are my lettuce that I planted. So this is loose leaf lettuce. I have mini romaine, another type of loose leaf, another type of lettuce right here, which is gorgeous. I have some red lettuce right here. I like these ones. They look beautiful. To be easy to be used as for wraps, as well as this. They're almost ready to be harvested. These two right here, I cut them, and this is the second germination I'm getting from them, which is really amazing. So I'll try and cut these ones and get a similar second growth if possible before the summer heat kicks in. This is my carrots. I have different types of carrots, rainbow and other types. And hopefully during harvest time, I can bring you guys along to see what we get from it. So all these are my carrots. And I have more of the mustard, red giant mustard greens right there. and I intentionally did intense growing right here. These are all greens, and I have more of the rocket lettuce that I've irregular lettuce irregular that I intensively sown here that I can harvest them all at once. And more of my lettuce also in between them. And right here are all my leafy greens, which is spinach, that I'm going to harvest them soon for some spinach stew and soup. Last but not the least is my cabbage and my broccoli patch, and I have about 3 different kinds of cabbages broccoli growing here. I have these type right here, which the heads are starting to form right there. Have this one too right here, and this one right here. And I have these long ones that have a lot of side shoots but not a big head. They are also right here, so as these ones. Oh, you can see the head of this one better. It's forming, exciting. And I usually cover these ones with row covers to just protect them from the white flies, which gives the cabbage ones problems. But they try to get into it as well. More of the cabbage, and the real exciting one is this one right here that you can actually see the head forming, which is really exciting. So this is my first time growing broccoli. I'm so excited about it, and also to try it and have a meal with it as my own first grown broccoli. So this is just to show you guys that no matter what space you have, you can manage to squeeze something little and use as much and get as much you want from the space as you want. You might not have these beds line up like this. You might just have one, but you can do intercropping and get more harvest from your space. So I hope these ones will give you inspiration. And this is still spring, so we can still grow in spring. All these were transplanted in February. The garlic I started from November. So everything you see aside the garlic, everything else was transplanted or planted in February. So these are a second batch of summer seeds. You saw the tomatoes, my eggplant and peppers. So these are my zucchinis, my cucumbers, all the squash and stuff like that. I'm planting. I sow multiples, then I'll transplant them into bigger containers, especially with these ones, so that I can get as much as that I need when starting. These are herbs that I got a few, at least thyme, some teas, parsley. I got cilantro, basil, fennel. I got catnip. So these I've started acclimatizing them to take them outside. But today, I think we are in our lowest cold season, so I'm keeping them in here and continue tomorrow. So within a week or two, they should be outside whilst I harvest most of the plants outside as well. So as I said, I'm sharing this just to give you inspiration, and this is a very easy, about $18 plant lights I got from Tractor and Supply, and these are from old pots, seedlings that I got. They are pots, and I got this one from Walmart, and I just hung them with hooks right here, just to, because I have this space. This is part of my laundry room, and I'm not using this space. I'm using it, but it can be used for this purpose as well. So I just hang it, and here I am. This is a setting you can easily do. So I hope this will give you guys some inspiration and start planting, even if it's just your herbs and just one pot, you can start something. So this is my kitchen garden, and I will see you in my kitchen the next time.